Hey friends, DTLalaland here, and we're over here in Tomorrowland checking out the new AstroFizz. We're gonna try some new things, and I can't wait for you to try them out with us. So let's go. So AstroFizz is new. It's over here in Tomorrowland. It's right in front of Space Mountain and kind of next to the Speedway. They have Cherry Cola Churros, drinks, popcorn, the candied nuts, a lot of different things. So you can tell they kind of reformatted AstroFizz to be like the Disney Vacation Club building that's over there. Kind of the same type of blue color, the same type of like windows and formats. But it definitely looks a little out of this world here in Tomorrowland. And then you got the
Coca-Cola slushie.
So it's like frozen Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Is that exactly what it tastes like? Yeah. All right, so let's try these new Cherry Coca-Cola Churros. They kind of have a, I think these are like popping candy, like the popping candy on top, because we can hear them popping in the sun. And then they have kind of like a syrup on top of it. So let's give them a try. Definitely popping candy on top. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, because it's popping in my mouth. And then it's not really like a chocolate sauce. What is the sauce on this?
I think the sauce is Coca-Cola.
Wow, now I get too much cherry. It's not terrible. No. It's not terrible, but with the popping candy and a lot of the other like candies on it, I wouldn't say it's the first thing I would go for. It's kind of like sugary sweet for me. I don't love it. I honestly feel like some of the churros have actually gone down in quality. So I would say probably like a 6 out of 10. And then the soda. This one's for you, Don. I wish you were here because we got frozen Coca-Cola. Yeah. I still don't like that. I don't really care for frozen Coca-Cola, so I don't love this either. But I'm sure you like that.
I like it.
Yeah. And again, all it is just a Coca-Cola. So with that, that is our review of the AstroFizz Cherry Cola Churros and the Coca-Cola slushie. What would you give the churros out of 10?
Probably a 6.
Yeah, and then the slushie for you is a
7.
A 7 out of 10. All right, well there you have it. Let us know down in the comments. Have you tried the Cherry Cola Churros yet? Coca-Cola slushie is something that you are looking for when you come to Magic Kingdom. And with that, on to the next.